Space is awesome, and I wanted to go through a list of 10 space facts in no particular order. If there's a fact that you didn't know, you are obliged to smash that like button, and if not, let me know in the comments, and give us one that will top this video. Number 10. You can fit all the planets between the Earth and the Moon. People underestimate the distance between the Earth and the Moon, but it's so big that you can fit every single planet of the solar system between the two. Number 9. All of the gold in the universe was likely created in the collision of neutron stars, not supernovae. When massive stars die, they can leave behind neutron stars, and in the unlikely case that one of those neutron stars collides with another one, the neutrons will form atoms of gold. These collisions are so massive that they cause ripples in space-time. These are called gravitational waves. Number 8. The planet Saturn is actually less dense than water, which would mean that if you had a bathtub big enough, the planet would float on water. Number 7. All of the stars that you can see in the nighttime sky are located within our Milky Way galaxy. The only extragalactic object that you can see is the Andromeda galaxy, but we only see a small sample of the brightest 10,000 stars, all located in this small circle within our galaxy. Speaking of the Andromeda galaxy, number 6. We are on a collision course with it. But it won't be a destructive interaction, it will be a constructive one that will kickstart the birth of a ton of new stars as the nebulae from both galaxies collide. Why is that? That takes us on to cool fact number 5. Space is much emptier than you might think. If you shrunk the sun down until it was the size of a basketball, if that basketball was in the UK, the next closest star would be all the way in Hawaii. That's a walking distance of about 120 days with no breaks. Imagine all that empty space. If you're this far into my video, be one of the first 1,000 to subscribe. Fact number 4. Jupiter's red spot is actually shrinking. Astronomers have been observing Jupiter's Great Red Spot for over 300 years, but it wasn't until 1979, when Voyager 1 flew past Jupiter, that we saw it up close and confirmed it's a colossal storm, with wind speeds exceeding 400 miles an hour. But this isn't just any storm, it's a hurricane bigger than planets, and it's been raging for at least 190 years, but it's shrinking. Back in the late 1800s, it was wide enough to swallow 3 Earths side by side. Today, it's closer to just 1. Scientists aren't entirely sure why it's shrinking, but for the first time in centuries, this giant storm may be finally weakening. Number 3. Mars is a dead planet, and there's good evidence to suggest that life once existed on the red planet, but its size means that its magnetic field got too weak to protect it from the sun's deadly radiation, leaving the planet with no liquid water and a very thin atmosphere, and therefore no life. Number 2. The coldest place in the universe we've yet discovered is the Boomerang Nebula. The average temperature of the universe is about minus 270 degrees Celsius, which is the average taken from the cosmic microwave background radiation. But the Boomerang Nebula is minus 272 degrees Celsius. That means that the Boomerang Nebula is just 1 degree Celsius off absolute zero, the coldest possible temperature, and it's so cold that the heat from the Big Bang is warming it up. Number 1. The vacuum of space isn't actually empty. Small quantum fluctuations means that tiny particles are constantly coming into existence and subsequently annihilating each other. This sounds like nonsense, but it's the reason why black holes actually emit radiation. So empty space isn't actually empty. So there we have it. Those are 10 random science facts in no particular order, just ones that I kind of just liked. If you want to see more videos that aren't made with AI, be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, you might like some of my other ones. So be sure to check them out on the links on the screen. Thanks for watching. Bye!